Behind me is the Pyramid Tonina, one of the tallest in the world and the tallest in the Americas. Not in Egypt, Chiapas, Mexico.
Encontraban tres tumbas con tres bóvedas. Cuando llovía o lloviznaba, se aparecía una cruz religiosa. Era lo curioso porque los mayas eran antes de Cristo y no después de Cristo. Y los ganadores eran sacrificados. Se le dice sacrificados porque pensaban que era un honor a sus dioses o pasar a otro nivel de su vida más mejor.
See, when you go to Teotihuacan, it's just a mound. Nothing pretty, no detail. It's complex.
To get here, we have to come down around 700 steps. That comes from the top of the canyon up there, down the ridge. I'm at an amazing waterfall aguacero. So I've been receiving a lot of emails lately asking on how that you can book for our new retreat. So you just have to click on our new website, get a ticket to Tuxtla Gutierrez, and we'll come and pick you up at the airport. All the guides, the food, the transport, all is included in the retreat. You just have to get on a plane and arrive at Tuxtla Gutierrez. Welcome to Cortijo La Casona. This will be your home for the next 14 days. This is room number 3. You could be staying here if you book soon. Come and look at this view. So this is room number 4. It's such a beautiful room. I personally really like this room. Probably one of my favorites. It's so cozy, so comfortable. The bathrooms are spacious. The rooms are super big, super comfortable beds. This is a beautiful place. And yeah, look, we have our own little terrace here where you can enjoy the view in the morning if you're an early bird. You can even see little Morita down there, the little black dog. This is Bungalow Planta Alta. As you can see, it has its own chimney, its little kitchen, a little living room, dining room here. Wow, it's so peaceful here. It really is. So green. Into the room. So this big spacious room, very cozy by the way. There's like a little mezzanine up here. And another room just underneath the roof. This is gonna be our special spot for yoga. So we'll just have to come up these tiny stairs. And we can practice yoga here. We're gonna have our wonderful Kim behind me teaching us. Imagine this spot. And at this spot here, we could be asking for beverages and share a cool drink together. Oh, hello, big girl. Don't get lost in here. Do you need a picture of the bathroom? Or maybe not?
Welcome to La Espirituosa. My name is Sofia. Posh, written in this way, comes from a native language, Tzotzil, and the meaning of this word is medicine. And this is because it's a traditional element, part of healings, rituals, festivities, ceremonies, glass that healers suggest you to get when you need to focus on to heal some specific kind of sick, Something very important about Posh, it's that in Mexico, most of the spirits you're gonna find are made from different kinds of agaves. But here in Chiapas, it's just from maize, the way we like to make it. So this is Poshna Añejo. Poshna means house of medicine, okay? This is pretty much what we can show to you about Poshna, Posh, and this is not just about to come to La Espirituosa and have drinks, it's more about to come and to enjoy a whole experience and to learn something new meanwhile you are exploring Mexico. So thank you very much for to come and Colabal. Gracias. Ay, sí pica.
Horses make us better people. They show us that if you are violent and aggressive and you get close to them, that's what they'll give back to you. They'll be scared and probably try to bite or kick you because they're just a mirror.
And my very good friend Jude is here with us with Comanche, our rescue horse.
Comanche's still learning. He's young, maybe 3. And when he came, he had been pretty severely abused. There was no way you could touch him anywhere near his ears or his head or his mane. He had really been abused and he was very, very much afraid. So, come on, boy. He's learning and learning to trust most of all. He kind of died and went to heaven when he came here. So Tess has been such a wonderful addition to my life here and these horses. I've been coming out about once a week. And it's made my life in San Cris just so rich and so wonderful. So I'm very, very, very grateful. And I'm totally in love with this guy. Totally in love with Comanche.
You're Tess.
Hey, I'm Tess. You've probably seen me around quite a lot lately on Santos's videos. We're here at this amazing archaeological site called Tonina, which is the highest pyramid here in southern Mexico. It's even higher than Teotihuacan, if you can believe it. So I just wanted to invite you to our retreats. We'll take care of you, nurture you for these 2 amazing weeks.
I'm representing the Syncretism side of the retreats here, the equine retreats. Tess is representing the logistics, organising it, coming to places like this. Tonina, the tallest pyramid probably in the world, and we're only 1/3 of the way up. And Esteban is going to be the tour guide, and we are the 3 that are going to be taking the reins and organising everything for this retreat coming up on the 23rd of August.
This is one of the massive pyramid complexes that we're going to be visiting during the 14-day retreat, starting on the 23rd of August to the 6th of September. And I will also be presenting 3 presentations of Syncretism, cacao ceremonies, temazcal, sightseeing in San Cristobal, tours, and all the best caves and scenery that
Mexico has to offer.
We'll go to Comitán too, where there's another archaeological site, not as massive as Tonina, but beautiful in its own way, with its own cenote, and that's near the Guatemala border, so that's going to be another sightseeing.
If you can't be with us on the ground, the 3 lectures will be streamed live. Join the list and the link will be sent to you first.
So the bookings are now open. You just have to go on our new website. The link is in bio. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Can't wait to see you.